Lil Herbie Coaching Program is a coaching program for kids where we use the adventures and wisdom of coaching curriculum that teaches kids about different mindset skills that can help them become the best versions of themselves in all areas of their lives. This section of the Lil Herbie Series Coaching Program is on mind power. This program is designed to teach children how their mind works and how to use their beliefs to support them in creating what they want in life. Section 1. How your mind shapes your world. In this section, children will learn about the power of their mind in shaping their world. They will learn how recognizing and shifting limiting beliefs and creating supporting beliefs are critical to achieving their goals and reaching their fullest potential. Section 2. Power of Possibility. The power of possibility teaches children about belief systems and how limiting beliefs can create a comfort zone that limits what is possible. By building a belief system based on possibilities, children can learn to overcome obstacles, move through fear, handle mistakes and failures, and learn to successfully manage change. Section 3. Building Neural Pathways. Neural pathways are connections in your brain that are formed as you learn or experience something new. In this section, kids will learn how to prepare their brain to minimize nervousness and how to achieve new goals, especially outside of their comfort zone. Section 4. The secret radar in your brain. Children will learn about the Reticular Activating System, RAS, and how it works. The RAS is critical to helping children achieve their goals. When you tell yourself what you want through affirmations and goal setting, your RAS puts your goals on your radar screen and looks for things that will help you get what you want. Section 5. Power shifting. The power shifting tool teaches children how to change the way they look at or interpret an event so that their new interpretation supports them. By recognizing that events are neutral, neither good nor bad, and choosing how you experience them, children can take control over situations no matter how challenging they might be. That's the overview of the Lil Herbie Series Coaching Program on Mind Power. This program aims to help children shape their mind to achieve their goals and reach their fullest potential.